everyone, this is the Egyptian guy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making hummus. This is the easiest and most delicious recipe that you'll ever try. Here is a list of our ingredients. You can find any of these ingredients at your local Mediterranean grocery store, or you can even find the chickpeas and the tahini sauce at Publix. We're going to start off first by adding a tablespoon of citric acid with another tablespoon of salt and then the juice of 2 lemons. If you can't find the citric acid, you can substitute it for the juice of 1 to 2 lemons. Then comes your water and whisk it very well until all your salt and your citric acid dissolve in the water. Next thing that you're going to add is your tahini, and again you're going to whisk until everything is well incorporated together. If you find it too thick, you can add another tablespoon of water to 2 tablespoons of water, depending on the consistency or how thin you want it. Then comes your whole can of hummus. Add that in and then whisk it again until everything is well incorporated together. Hummus is a great recipe that goes with a lot of things. You can enjoy it with falafel, even with food, chicken shawarma, beef shawarma. You can fry some pine nuts in some ghee or some butter and then top it on top of the hummus. It goes great with a variety of things. You can even use the hummus as a dip with your favorite pita chips, or even with some vegetables such as carrots or cucumbers. Okay guys, you're going to keep mixing until you get to a smooth consistency. You're looking a little bit thinner than mayonnaise texture. You don't want it too thin, but at the same time you don't want it too thick either. Me personally, I prefer it a little bit thinner than a mayonnaise texture. And now to prepare my toppings so I can plate my hummus, I'm going to crush 3 garlic cloves and add the chili pepper to it with the salt. Once I get it all grinded down to almost like a paste type, then I'm going to plate my hummus, squeeze a lemon on top of the crushed garlic and the chili pepper, and then add it to my plate. Add a little sumac in the 4 corners of the plate. And top it with some olive oil, and then you get to enjoy it with some pita bread. Enjoy guys.